Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Lisa, Best Life Lee. Well, Mother's Day is fast approaching and I have a quick little video for you to show you how I put together this perfect little Mother's Day gift for the new mom or any mom who just needs a little me time. So Julie and Monique, if you're watching, this is where you need to shut off the video so you don't see your Mother's Day gift ahead of time. But yeah, if you want to see how I put this Mother's Day gift together, then just keep on watching. Alright guys, so I picked up these pretty gift boxes at the Hallmark store. They were $9.99 a piece. You could probably get boxes a little bit cheaper at, I don't know if the dollar store has any. I didn't get a chance to check the dollar store or Job Lot, but I ended up picking up this filler from Michael's. So I'm just going to use this to, give the boxes some fill so that I can just place the items on top. And I picked up these really beautiful wine glasses at TJ Maxx, and they were only $6.99 a piece, but they're all hand painted. They're just so pretty. So I picked up one of each, and so I'm just going to place them in. Now this box, this filler, for some reason, they both weighed the same amount, but the green was a lot less sparse. So I'm going to just take some out from the yellow and just kind of mix it in as if I had planned it that way all along. So now the wine glasses can sit and secure. They're not going to move all around inside the box. And I've just picked up this little 4-pack of wines. This is just a white Zinfandel. They each like different kinds of wines, so I only wanted to put a couple in because this is just going to be a box that, it's for, one night of relaxation and pampering. So that's why I just got the basic white Zin, and they'll just have 1 or 2 glasses of wine, and everybody likes white Zin usually. And I got these from Michael's, and they're a peony and rose scent, and they're just so pretty with the roses, and they can just take a bath. This is the bath bomb. It's watermelon and mint mojito, and looks like a watermelon slice. And it will be obvious to them that this is kind of a relax. This is a chill out, calming mask that they can just have, escape to the bathtub and just have a relaxing evening just for themselves with a glass of wine, and have a face mask and light their candle, and it would just be like a chill out night for themselves. And then obviously they will keep the wine glass and the candle for future use. And then just tuck a little bit of this paper so that the wine bottle doesn't move around inside the wine glass, just to give it some stability. And then of course, I always have to give some chocolate or some candy. This is a little indulgence with the chocolates. So I'm just gonna sprinkle them in all over inside of the gift box. And I will do the same in the other gift box. Just a little bit of decadent candy, chocolates to have during their me time. So there it is, a lovely Mother's Day gift for the new mom or the mom who needs a little bit of me time. And yeah, if you're a mom, I think a little me time is always a welcomed gift. Alright guys, so thanks so much for watching. If you're a mom, I hope that you are going to take very good care of yourself on Mother's Day this year. And I want to wish you all a blessed and happy Mother's Day. So thanks for watching guys. If you're new here, I hope that you will consider subscribing and coming on back. So take care everyone. I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.